What could be the major reason for a change in vaginal odor or a change in vaginal discharge color? You may think that it may be due to a vaginal thrush, but actually that is not the actual reason. So today we are going to discuss about bacterial vaginosis, the causes, symptoms that will helps to identify whether it was a bacterial vaginosis or a thrush. So don't skip this video. Let's go.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Normally, your vagina consists of millions of microbes that may be consist of a good bacteria and bad bacteria. This good bacteria mainly called as lactobacillus that mainly helpful to keep your vagina acidic. So in the sense when there is any disruption in the balance between this good and bad bacteria, that will leads to this infection mainly called as bacterial vaginosis. So there will be so many reasons that can cause this bacterial vaginosis. What could be the major four reasons for this occurrence of bacterial vaginosis? The first common cause is if you uses a perfumed soaps. Mainly you have to use a plain water for cleaning your vagina before or after sex. But in the sense so much of women may use a perfumed soaps or perfumed creams that will cause change in the acidity of this vaginal bacteria and causes this infection. And the second common reason is if you uses douches. These douches mainly helps to cleanse your inside of your bacteria. But you have to note that your vaginal bacteria, mainly these lactobacillus, have the ability to clean your vagina normally. But in the sense you are not mind about this and you are going for douches. So this douches, frequent usage of these douches may also increases the chance to get this bacterial vaginosis. And the third thing is if you have bacterial vaginosis at the same time if you gone for a sexual intercourse, in the sense a sperm or a semen will also have the nature of alkaline. So this alkaline semen will also cause this change the pH of your vaginal bacteria and also cause this vaginal or bacterial vaginosis. And the fourth common cause is if you have menstruation or a menstrual blood may also have, and it is also have the nature of alkaline. So these are all the four major causes for the occurrence of a bacterial vaginosis in a woman. Next we are going to discuss about the four major symptoms of this bacterial vaginosis. The first common symptom is you may get a symptom called as itching. Itching around your vulva or your vaginal region is the first major symptom because there will be an infection. And the second thing is you have to note that about the discharges. This vaginal discharge may be thin, watery, and maybe it is in white gray color. This is the second common symptom. And the third common symptom is you may felt a fishy odor mainly following sex or after masturbation. That will also feel, and you may feel a fishy odor when the fluid comes out. So this is the third common symptom for this bacterial vaginosis. And the fourth common symptom is there will be a burning pain while urination. In the sense you may go for a urinary tract infection or vaginal thirst. But you have to note that it is the major symptom of a bacterial vaginosis. So these are all the four common symptoms for this occurrence of bacterial vaginosis. What could be the major diagnostic method? Mainly a physical examination will be helps to find out whether it has any kind of infection, and the next thing is going for a smear test or collecting your vaginal discharges. That will helps to find out which kind of microorganism that will cause this infection. And the treatment mainly depends upon treating these underlying causes. Mainly an antibiotic therapy will be helps to prevent the infection and mainly helps to cure your bacterial vaginosis. What could be the preventive measures? Mainly you have to avoid perfumed soaps and douches. This will indicate or this will cause changes in your vaginal environment, mainly acidic environment. So you have to avoid a perfumed soaps and mainly douches. And the next thing is don't wash your vagina frequently. That may also changes your vaginal environment. So these are all the major home remedies, and eat acidic fruits, mainly citrus fruits, that will also helps to increase acidic environment in your body. So these are all the major home remedies and treatment methods, and next day I will reach you with another topic. Thank you all. Have a nice day.